Here it is, the in-depth lip lining tutorial that I've been missing from my life for way too long. So we're gonna start off with chapstick on our lips. I am using a no brand, literally really cheap lip liner, and it kind of matches my natural color, which is key in this. So I'm gonna start off by going right underneath my actual bottom lip, and I'm going to line right over there. This is gonna give me the illusion that I have larger lips than I do, because I very much do not. I then decided to actually color in my lips with this as well. Once I took a step back, I was able to see like where I needed to touch it up, and it's so much easier to do that with a lip liner than it is with a wand of a lip stain. Then I did the top lip, and I kind of stayed inside my lip lines for this, because I do have a beauty mark on top, which is literally right there. It's right on top of my lip, and sometimes lipstick gets caught there and it looks a little wonky, so I kind of wanted to stay shy of that, so I did it right below the actual line. But I did get to even out the peaks of my lips, because the peaks of my lips, like in the middle, are very uneven, and I also just got to like have full control over my lips for the first time in like my entire existence, so I highly recommend this. Then I went in and I colored a little more. I am going to add at the end of this a video where I did the same exact lip liner, but I used red lips instead, so I'm going to show you guys that. But how stunning is this? I did like a more natural look. I'm going to have this makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel soon, but I'm obsessed with this. And just add some chapstick or gloss if you'd like. As promised, here's the picture of the time I used red lipstick, but I used the same exact liner.